Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you just need to follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, just go to search bar and type here task manager, then open it. Now on the screen we need to click on the run new task. Here it is. Then click on browse button. Now we have to select this PC, then C drive, then open Windows folder. Then we need to find out the system32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it to open it. Then find out cmd.exe file. Keep scrolling down until we found it. So select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Now close the background windows and we need to execute the command here. So type this command carefully and simply hit enter to execute the command. So type in dism.exe space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter to execute this command. So this command will take several times, 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process, so we need to wait for it. So keep this running in the background. We will move to the next method, that will be just go to search bar and type here disk cleanup and click here to open it. And so we need to just select the files like recycle bin, thumbnails, temporary files and the download program files, temporary internet files, and then click on OK. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete these all files? So select delete files and this will also take some time. Then click on continue. We can also skip that one, so wait for some time. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine, so it will help you to fix this issue quickly and effectively. You can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue quickly, and that will be a good way to fix this issue. Once done, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.